This How to 1 Minute will show you how to join a Discord server without an invite. Open your browser and open this website top.gg. Choose the Discord server tabs here. Under Explore millions of Discord bots and servers, type the name of the server you are interested in joining. Once you find the server you want to join, press Join. Click on Accept Invite. Continue to Discord. And as you can see, I've successfully joined to this server without an invite. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.